Hi there students. In this video I'm going to look at the phrases to be sold on something and to sell something on. Now they're very different. If somebody is sold on something, they're confident or convinced that something is a good idea, that it's true, that it's good quality, and they are enthusiastically supportive of it. So he's sold on the idea of going to the Caribbean for a holiday. He's sold on his plan of doing it like that. He's sold on buying that new car. So he's convinced that it's a good bargain, the car's a good bargain, and he thinks it's a good idea, and he supports the idea. Okay? To sell something on is to resell something soon after buying it, to make a profit, to make a quick profit. He's sold on the idea of buying that car because he thinks he can sell it on for a profit. So he thinks it's a good idea because he can resell it. Okay, so to sell something on, to sell again, to be sold on something, to be a supporter of it. He's sold on this particular brand. He always buys this brand and he always recommends it to his friends. He's sold on the idea of going to university to become a teacher. He's sold on going to this concert. Okay. Maybe somebody sold on their tickets so that somebody will sell on their tickets so that he can go to the concert. He's sold on attending. Okay, so somebody is sold on something and then you sell something on. Okay, so notice sell on is a separable phrasal verb. I sold it on. Okay, let's see. I think both of these are probably slightly informal. I think they're both really good for an informal conversation. However, in even maybe something neutral as well. But in a formal circumstance, I think if you're sold on something, you're a convinced supporter of it. And to sell on, I think probably more formally I would use to resell. To resell normally for a profit. Okay? So, to be sold on something, to be convinced that it's a good idea. It's like the salesman has convinced you that you really want to buy it. Yeah? We also have this concept, you could buy an idea. So, he bought my idea. He was sold on it. He became convinced that it was true. And then to sell something on, to buy something and then resell it normally for a profit very quickly. So he bought that car last week and he's going to sell it on tomorrow. That's good. So I hope you're sold on my channel. Yeah? Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To be sold on something and to sell something on.